Hi there, everybody. We are going to do a quick tour of the course and the Moodle platform, and I'll show you where all the different pieces of the course is. Okay, the first thing that you'll notice when you log into Moodle is you'll see navigation over here on the left if you want to go between different things, such as the course info and design, introductions, which will be the first thing you'll do, week one's assignments, and then there's week two assignments. You could navigate quickly like that. You'll notice always at the top, there's things called announcements, open forum questions, and anonymous questions. Announcements are always there because I will be posting announcements weekly to update learning and so forth. Open forum is if you want to share ideas and develop community. Now, the question section is if you have a question or not sure of something, and maybe someone else in the community could answer your question, you can post your question there. Here is an option to post an anonymous question if you don't want your name attached. So if you post it there, then I will post the question to the questions form so that other people can see it, but your name won't be attached. So these are always up top. So because they're always up top, that means you always have to scroll down a little bit. And when you scroll down on the main page, you'll notice that you'll see all the different topics. Now, not all of the different weeks are visible yet, but will be visible as we get closer to those weeks. Okay, so if I want to go to the next section, I'm going to try and check out just course info and design. And what you'll notice is that once you click on it, it unravels all of the different content area for this page. Okay, so you'll notice this is still up at the top. We have course info and design. And if you put your mouse over it, you'll see that it's clickable and you should click them and you should find out more about the course. And of course, meet the facilitator, me. Okay, cool. So the next thing you should do is you should click on introductions. Okay, you can get to introductions by either clicking over here on the left, or you could have scrolled down to the bottom and you could have said jump to a different section, or you can click on these links. So those are the different ways to get around the course. Okay, so here is the introduction section. In introductions, you're going to do two different things. You'll fill out a survey and you'll start the first Flipgrid activity. Okay, then we can go over week one by clicking here. We can jump to week one, or we can even click over here to get to week one. Or there's even here to click to week one. So I'll click there. All right, so now in week one, which is all about building understanding and creating your philosophy. What you'll notice is that this is divided up into two sections. These are all the different things that you'll do by Wednesday or before Wednesday. And this is learning objective 2, which you'll do by Saturday or before Saturday. So every week is divided up into two different parts, just like this. So learning objective 1, you have all of the different learning activities that should be done for this learning objective. And then the second half of the week will be learning objective 2, constructing your philosophy, and here are all the learning assignments that should be done for this learning objective. I always post a video that talks through all of these assignments so that you're not confused. Okay, let's jump to week 2. Now, this is the second week of the first learning cycle, and what you'll notice is the same thing. There's a video here. It'll explain what's happening this week, and you'll notice that it's divided into two sections here. And this is learning objective 3, creating your assessment, learning objective 4, designing your learning activities. And here are the learning activities that are due on Wednesday for this learning objective, and here are the learning activities that are due on Saturday for this learning objective. Okay, now because this is the end of a learning cycle, we have some reflections of learning. So we'll finish the 3-2-1 bridge, which is something that you started in week 1, and a little bit of a video reflection, and those will be due by the end of the week. Okay, thank you very much. That's going through all of the different parts of this course. If there's any other questions, just let me know. All right, great.